Welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you what you can get in the cheapest real estate price in all over Canada. This condo is ready to move in and ready to rent or to live in. That listed for only $199,000 in Windsor, Ontario. The address is located on 6599 Thornberry. So start with this side. We have all of these parking lot that are assigned for each condo. And there is one parking lot specifically assigned for the condo that we are going to show you today. From this side, we have the lobby, and let's go safe and show them the lobby from the inside. And also this is the exterior of the building. So basically there's a lot of trees here, a lot of flowers. The exterior of the building is very neat and nicely done.
So I really love the landscaping here.
So do you know what year was it built?
1976.
1976.
Roughly.
So it's not that old. And also from the inside, it looks nice, and they are taking very good care of it. And the good thing that we have here is the condo fees. We don't have a lot of amenities, but at the same time, the condo fees are very low, which is $235 a month. And also the property taxes is safe. Is it $1,300?
It's about $1,200.
So the
just under
property
$1,200.
taxes is $1,200 a year. So that's basically a very, very low price, a monthly payment. Let's go from this side. So in order to go in, we have to...
There's a key.
There's a key for it, which is adding more safety for the place for sure.
Or you can use here, you just enter a code and call whatever you have,
Yes.
like the owner of a condo, so they can buzz you in.
Yes, this is the size here. It's a nice lobby, very well done. It's nice and clean. We have all of these doors. This one will take us to the certain numbers they have at the top. And also these ones takes us to the other condos. But for our condo is 6599. We're gonna use this door so we can get there. Basically, there is only 2 stairs, which is not too far because our condo is on the second floor of this building.
So this condo does not have an elevator, and you know these are, it's a pros and cons. Like it is a pro because with that's why your maintenance is lower.
Exactly.
But of course it's still like it's a con because you don't have an elevator.
Exactly.
But the good thing is like your condo is only the second floor.
That's for sure. And every time the amenities, like the more amenities, the more the condo fees and the higher would be. But because here we only have a maintenance for certain stuff, we don't have a pool, we don't have a gym and all this stuff because these usually the things that increase the condo fees.
And Sarah, this is not the only exit that we have for the condo because there's another couple other exits from the back, which is even closer to the condo.
Yes, correct.
But this is the main one.
So this is the washer and dryer room. So basically, this is shared with all the units in the building, and you will have to pay in order to use the laundries. And here, safe, it says $2 for each use. This is for the dryer.
So $2 for the dryer, and $2.50 for the washer.
Yes.
So if you do it like once a week, that's like $5 or $4.50. It's really nothing.
That's not a lot. Welcome to 6599 Thornberry. This is the inside of the condo. We have a living area on this side, a dining area here, and also a kitchen. A kitchen is separated from the living area for the people who prefer to have a separated kitchen. And we have a new refrigerator on this side, and also here we have a granite top, which is awesome. And the kitchen looks nice, it's fully painted, and we have the stove, and It's overall safe. What do you think for the people who's going to be living here, like two people or four people? I think it would be more than enough for them.
So it is a two-bedroom condo, and let's take like it's really spacious. Like you have a big size living area here, and also I think the kitchen will be more than enough. Like because with two-bedroom condo, like maximum there'll be four people living here,
Yes.
maybe two parents and two kids. So I think this kitchen will be more than enough for them. And at the same time, you have some space here. You can add more cabinets, or add a microwave here.
Exactly.
Whatever you want to add.
You can extend all of this till here, and maybe here is going to be just like the dining table for you, and the kitchen you'll have a lot of more cabinets for sure. And if you are planning to buy for your own, or if you are an investor, this would be a great fit even for a tenant, because in this area there's a lot of demand for rent, and the condo is great, and also for tenants the price is going to be very reasonable for them. This is the living area basically. We have two big windows on this side that facing the front of the building. And also like the living area, I think it's pretty big. Like if we're putting a TV and a sofa here, we have a nice light fixture here, and all the walls has been painted renewably.
And Sarah, also you have air
AC.
conditioner here, so this is how you can kind of cool your condo.
And also we have a baseboard heaters. Let's go and see the other bedrooms.
And Sarah, like here is the water tank. Like this condo has its own water tank, which is really good. And this is a brand new, by the way. Like
This is a brand new water tank, and is it owned? Is it rented?
it's rented, but like I think it's only $25 a month, which is
fair.
basically it includes all the maintenance. If it's fault, if it leaks, anything happens, the company will come in, fix it, change it.
Actually, we all prefer to have a rented water tank than owned, because if there's any issues, you don't have to replace it and pay a lot of money.
Exactly.
They would only come and fix it for you.
Yeah, it's very common here in Windsor.
Yes. This is the first bedroom here. This bedroom fits for one person or two people or two kids. That's also doable. We have its own closet on this side, and also the closet side is good. And we have a good size windows right there. So if you can see, like it's so bright. The color of the walls, it's also adding more brightness to the place, and also the windows.
Because that's a fresh paint. Like this condo
Yes.
just got some updates, and one of them was fresh paint.
Exactly, yes. So on this side, we have a literally walk-in closet for your own storage or your own clothes, whatever you want to put here. It's a very good size.
Yeah, you can use it or as a pantry as well. Put
Yes,
some of
fully
your
painted.
food.
Even all of these doors are all painted.
And so there's more storage here. This is storage as well.
Yes.
It's smaller than the
Let's
other
take a
one,
look
but
at
it is a storage as well.
But it's, of course, this is going to be also helpful for your storage. And on the other side, we have the master bedroom, which this bedroom is basically bigger than the one that we've seen. And it's also very nice. It's big, freshly painted, the walls, and also we have a good size window on this side. And the good part is we have a slide door mirror for your cabinets.
That's good.
And we have a good size cabinets as well. I think it's extending till the end. So it's not only this, no, it's extending till here,
Okay.
which is even better.
And sir, I like the fact that like these windows are new, like not like they're not wood. No, they're nice windows, so you won't need to be worried about upgrading them or changing them.
These windows are pretty expensive, so this is a great add for the condo as well. Let's go and check the last part of this condo, which is the bathroom. The bathroom has been, they have done some touch up for this bathroom, but overall looks good, so clean and good to go. The vanity here with the granite tub, toilet, and also the water tub here doesn't have any issues. It's fully nice and good. And this is just an extra cabinet for your stuff right there. Overall, I think it's a great investment, Saif. What do you think?
Overall, I think it's really good investment, and also it's good for a first-time buyer. Like imagine you're a small family with a tight budget, and you only have, $10,000-$20,000, and you want to buy a house. What can you buy? Like a condo like this would be a perfect option because it's affordable. It's only listed for $199,000. So if you do the math on 5%, how much is that? Like maybe $10,000. It's really not a lot. Plus
Exactly.
whatever cost that you have for a closing cost, and even your monthly payments wouldn't be crazy.
Yeah. So, for example, if you're planning to rent it, you have a mortgage and you rented it, the rent is going to pay your mortgage, the condo fees, and also is going to make you some income every month. Not only this, if you are a home buyer, a cash buyer, and you don't want to use any, you don't want to get any mortgage, and you just want to buy something cash within the 200 or 250, this is a great fit for you. If you have any questions, you can reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to watch more tools like this, watch this video next. Goodbye.